Samsung is poised to upend the smartphone industry once more. Leaks now suggest a drastic change in design for the Galaxy S26 series, following years of flatbacks and floating lenses. Yes, the camera bump may be making a triumphant comeback, and the first prototypes have just been made public, providing us with an incredible first look at what may be the flagships of the future. Three gorgeous models, the Galaxy S26 Pro, S26 Edge, and the powerful S26 Ultra, will be the first in the Galaxy S26 portfolio. It is anticipated that all will debut in February 2026. Furthermore, based on our observations, Samsung is not holding back. There are rumors that the Galaxy S26 Pro and S26 Ultra will keep Samsung's iconic design, but with a new twist. The popular Galaxy S series served as the inspiration for this back camera island. The Galaxy S26 Edge, on the other hand, seems to take cues from Apple's iPhone 17 Pro. Its striking left-to-right camera island, which takes up about 30% of the top screen, is a design element that exudes luxury and futurity. Sony Dixon's leaked dummies also showed that the S26 Ultra will abandon the S25 Ultra's aggressive, boxy design in favor of softer, smoother corners. The Ultra may eventually use a camera bump for its primary lenses while maintaining the LED flash and secondary rings separate for a neat, sophisticated appearance, even though the camera sensor arrangement mainly resembles that of the S25 series. The worst part is still to come. It's possible that Samsung may launch full-featured Qi 2 wireless charging. Magnets are integrated into the leak modules, implying that wireless charging might be more rapid, effective, and accessory-free. Remember that these are early prototypes that provide us with an initial look at Samsung's daring new course. The excitement is genuine, even though the final commercial designs may still change. This is what's obvious. It appears that Samsung is prepared to reinvent flagship design, combining its own invention with ideas from rivals. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.